Hello and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about the array method join. Now, you might remember my video on string methods where I covered split. Now, if not, I will link to it up there. So I've actually copied and pasted in some of the text from that video where I created a string which said, "Welcome to JavaScript in Lesson 3, where I explain JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes." Sound familiar? And then we split that. We nominated to split this introduction by space, and we got this array, vid array. So join is like the flip side of this, because sometimes we want to pull things out of strings, put them into an array, and then turn them back into a string. So that's exactly what we're going to do right here. So we could actually do let video intro with pizzazz equal vid array dot join, and we're going to actually put exclamation marks. And now if we did this, this is what would be returned. It would be a string, right? And all of these items would be joined together with this joiner, right? And it would become welcome to JavaScript in lesson 3 exclamation mark, where exclamation mark, etc., until we got right to the very end of the entire array. So that's a fun little one. Of course, normally you'll be separating either with spaces or with new lines. For example, we could separate with a new line this way, like that, and then this would be welcome, and then next line to next line JavaScript, etc., right? Separate with a line break. Yep. So there are things like that. Now, one fun little fact, which a lot of people don't know and which doesn't necessarily seem intuitive, is that if we did vidarray.join and then we left it empty, you would assume that everything would just kind of smoosh together, and it would say, like, welcome to JavaScript in Lesson 3, where I explain JavaScript concepts in 3 minutes. But it doesn't do that. It actually puts them or separates them with commas, or joins them, literally say like this: welcome to JavaScript, etc., in etc. So that's a fun little fact. So if you do want to just smoosh things together, as I said before, vid array dot join, and you just give it an empty string like that, and that will just smoosh everything together. So I hope you found that helpful. That is join. Yeah, that's all I've got to say really. So I'll see you next time. Bye.